Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. This recipe is a basic barbecue sauce. It is something that you can modify. It starts out as a small batch, so it's easy to modify to your own taste. Perfect for summer grilling and even a meatloaf in the summer. It is perfect for lots of things. So go ahead and make this. I'll show you the recipe. Basic barbecue sauce. 1.5 cups of ketchup. 3 cups of broth. 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. Of course, I use pink Himalayan. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 3 teaspoons chili powder. A dash of red chili sauce, optional, depends on how hot you like your sauce. Mix all your ingredients together and simmer over a low flame for 20 minutes. This recipe makes 3 cups of barbecue sauce. For the last 20 minutes of your meat cooking time, spread on your sauce and cook on the grill. And there you have it, Rebel Canners. Quick and easy barbecue recipe you can make at home from ingredients you probably have on hand and very easily adapted to your taste. So, hope this recipe makes you happy and summer finds you well.